Hey guys, it's Frau Snow, and today I'm going to give you some help on your city PowerPoint presentation, and I'm going to show you how to insert images into PowerPoint. I'm going to clear up any problems, to show you how to locate a picture using Google, to show you how to select the picture, and to show you how to cite your source for that picture. So we're going to start out by opening PowerPoint, which is at the bottom of my screen. You might also find it under File and Internet Explorer. So now that you have both windows open, let's go to PowerPoint. And since the topic of our presentation is a German-speaking city, let's select Berlin, Germany, which in German is Deutschland. And at the bottom, type your name and your group members' names. That way it's nice and easy to figure out who the presentation belongs to. Once you're finished with that, you are going to insert your second slide, and we're going to pick a blank slide for this presentation. Then you're going to go to your Internet Explorer, and you're going to type in Google. This is my home page. After you get to Google, you're going to select Images, and then we're going to type in Berlin, and we're going to find some pretty images of Berlin. I like the picture of the Brandenburg Gate, so what I'm going to do is select this image. Now, you do not want to copy and paste a thumbnail. Instead, you want to click on the image, and then you want to go to the screen where it says See Full-Size Image. You want to click on this again. That will give you the largest, most clear picture that you can possibly get based on the site. Now what we want to do is we want to copy and paste this image into our presentation. There's two ways of doing that. You can hit the Control plus the C button to copy, or you can right click and hit copy. And then we're going to go back to our PowerPoint presentation, and on our blank slide, once again, hit the right button, and we're going to paste it. We're now going to move the image and to resize it to fit our picture, to fit our screen. You do not want to use the center buttons here, the center tabs, to stretch the picture because it will distort the image. Instead, anytime you want to resize, you're going to grab the corners and you're going to resize it, make it smaller or larger based on your needs. Once you have it where you want it and you're satisfied that that's the picture you would like to use, you have to provide documentation of your source for that picture. So once again, we're going to go on New Slide, and this time we're going to select a slide that has title and content. We're going to title this slide Sources, and then we're going to provide the documentation for the picture that we use. Since we borrowed this picture from another source, we have to provide the source of that picture. So we'll say slide 2, and then we need the URL of the picture. We are not going to provide a URL for Google because Google is not the source of the picture. Instead, you go back to where your full-size image was, and at the top of this picture, at the top of your address bar, you can see. So once again, we're going to copy this by highlighting it and hit copy. Okay, and then we're going to paste it into our presentation. Right click again and hit paste. And then if you hit the enter key, it will hyperlink that URL for you, so it's all done. This is the pattern that you need to follow for any picture that you borrow when you're using anything from the internet or another source. If it's not a picture that you use or you came up with yourself, you need to provide documentation of that source. If you have any questions, send me an email.